One shot that I think is really great is the point of view shot. There are really small cameras that you can use right now, like GoPros. There's even like a GoPro, there's like a, Osmo Pocket that goes right in can go right in, let's say, the groom's pocket. You could almost get a point of view shot as they're doing the bows, which is kind of like a shot I've dreamed about for 15 years. But that's such a great shot, and the technology is finally there where we can get these great point of view shots. You can put like a GoPro in let's say the refrigerator, and they take out like juice because they're going to pour something, and they're getting ready to get dressed. So you get this kind of getting ready shot. You get a point of view. It's great. There's so many different things you can do with a point of view camera. So don't be afraid of that specialty shot, because it's like, if you get it, it's going to be used. It's going to be really cool. People are going to go, wow, that's a cool shot. So that's definitely a creative thing to think about.